Hi guys, I was talking whispering. I was trying to trick you guys. So what my mom brought me from work, she brought me some sushi. Let's open this sushi. It's called Versus Spice Crunch. I better take off the spices then. So let's open this up. It smells like spicy crunch. So we're gonna eat the beans first. That comes in any sushi bag. The beans are really good. That's the nutritious part ever. Let's open this up and we can. Here is a bean. If you guys don't like these, then you're joking. These are really good. Come on. These are ginger, not salmon. Okay, kids, if you're out there, that's not salmon. Okay, not salmon. So we can go ahead. Really, to take these off. Okay, so we can go ahead and eat this sushi. I'm going for it. I feel real good. I'm just like something stinks to. And do this. You can't taste a thing. Or anything. Comment down below if you like these beans. They're my favorite. If you like them, then you're supposed to be subscribing.
Did you try it?
It's good. I took off the spicy stuff. I'll show you the bean that I take out. You guys haven't seen the bean take out yet. Here it goes. Hold on. There it is. It's like a little baby popping out. But more deliciouser. And more cuter. No, not more cuter, just more elegant. Look, I've never seen inside the bean before. Just plain green, I think. Like greens. One more tastier. That's my favorite. Hold on. I got something to drink. Might think it's coffee, but you're wrong. Bye.